5 ways you're doing intermittent fasting wrong. Number 1, you're not getting enough electrolytes. When we fast, we lose body fat, but we're also losing water weight. And when we lose water weight, we can flush out a lot of important electrolytes, and that can make us feel bad. In order to prevent that, you need to make sure that you're consuming the appropriate amount of sodium, potassium, and magnesium every day. Number 2, not drinking enough water. I can't tell you how many times my clients tell me they have a headache and I ask what they've had to drink today and they say 3 cups of coffee. When you're fasting, you need a lot of water. You need up to 128 ounces a day or up to 3 liters. That's to give your body the appropriate hydration it needs every day to metabolize the fat that you're burning. These small bottles are cute, but what you need instead is a bottle like this. Drinking one of those big bottles a day will make sure you get all the water you need, plus it comes with these cute little messages. Number 3, using artificial sweeteners or zero-calorie sweeteners. You may think they're fine because they have 0 calories and you put them in your teas or your coffees, but actually what they're going to do is they're going to spike your insulin and tell your body to store body fat, which is the exact opposite of what we're trying to achieve. So not only is it going to destroy your fast, but it's going to throw off your hunger hormones, making you want to eat more. And yes, that also means that flavored 0-calorie drinks like Coke Zero and flavored LaCroix are out. Number 4, breaking your fast with a high-carb meal. The whole point of intermittent fasting is to increase your insulin sensitivity. So if you break your fast with a high-carb meal, you're going to spike your insulin and risk ruining all the metabolic benefits of fasting. Make sure you break your fast carefully with a low-carb meal. Number 5, snacking or grazing in your eating window. Depending on your fasting schedule, you might eat 2 meals a day if you're following a 16-8 program. On a schedule like that, your eating window is 8 hours, but that doesn't mean you can spend the whole 8 hours eating. Again, the point of intermittent fasting is to lower our insulin levels. And if you keep snacking, you're keeping those insulin levels constantly high, which will tell your body to store body fat, and you're going to end up gaining weight. So eat only a set number of meals in your eating window and no snacking. So there's a right and a wrong way to do intermittent fasting. In fact, I wrote a whole guide on it. If you want your free copy, head to the link in bio.